Today in Granny's kitchen we're making Yorkshire pudding. Now my oven's heating up to 200 degrees. It's on at 205 at the moment because I will lose some of that heat when I open the door. But inside, you know, an ordinary cupcake tray, just splash a little bit of sunflower oil. Basically when it heats, it makes your Yorkshire puddings rise. It doesn't actually mix in with the mixture at all. The reason I keep the other two empty is I use my oven gloves to take this out of the oven. So it's easier if there's no oil in there. So I'm going to put this in the oven, because obviously that oil has to heat up. And while that's doing all that, in this bowl, I'm going to add 3.5 ounces of plain flour. I'm going to add a teaspoonful of dried mustard. I'm also going to add some salt and some pepper. It's roughly 1 ounce of flour per egg. So if I'm making this for 2 people, I would just use 2 ounces of flour and 2 eggs. But it's 3.5 ounces of flour, and we'll have 8 ounces of milk, 8 fluid ounces of milk. So I'm just going to add the eggs into the milk. Just get this batter ready. Again, you can make the batter hours before you need it. So I'm just going to add this to my flour mixture here and beat the whole lot together. Now you can actually just cover that and leave it for a couple of hours if you wish, if you don't need it immediately. Be very careful at this stage. You want to just give that a final stir and pour the mixture in. And you hear it sizzling, so you know the oil has been quite hot in that oven. And pop straight back into the oven for half an hour. Okay, after about 25 to 30 minutes, you can take your Yorkshire puddings out of the oven and they're ready to serve with your Sunday roast.